guy's got so many bumper stickers on his car, I bet he's not going to go 1 mile over the speed limit, are you, pal? What is up? New to my channel, it's called Gears of Snore. And I bring you that content that's guaranteed to put you to sleep. Funny little story behind that. I started saying that because I felt like my channel didn't really provide anything special. What was that, Big Sheila?
You and your mom are hillbillies. This is a house of learned doctors.
Jeez, oh my God, it's a mouthful. I'm out here riding around Pine Island. I love it up here. I really... It just puts you in such a good mood. The scenery and everything. And man, that bar smells good. Yeah, just out enjoying the day. It's in September, close to 80 degrees. The skies are fantastic. I mean, really, what more could you ask for, right? I could ask that I win the Mega Millions tonight. Big Sheila gets a BMW K1600 in the garage, named Sexual Chocolate. Look at this scenery, huh? I swear, this is why I get seasonal depression when winter kicks in, and you know, normally we don't winterize our bikes. If it's a little above 40, we're out. But winter of 2025 was painful, to say the least. It was so damn cold that we couldn't ride, and then we got this one beautiful day in March. It was like, I think we actually got two. There was one in the 50s, slightly above, and then we got one really warm one. I want to say 70s, and everybody was like, yeah, you know, we're all going gung-ho, and I so friggin' depressed. And man, those 2 days really like got my spirits up. I'm like, you know, not much longer. Hang in there. Hang in there. And you know what my reward was for that? Big Sheila. Big Sheila's got some lights on the front of her. Baja Design Squadron Pro. Well worth the money. Oh, poor fella. Yeah, there are some amazing houses up here. And there's amazing places to go eat. If I had more time, I'd go to Penning's Farm and get through this intersection here and have a libation. They have their own cidery there. I believe they brew their own beer. I know they carry microbrew beer there. You can buy food. The food they make is very good. They have an outdoor beer garden. You can go up the hill and go to their cidery. You can buy groceries there. There's steaks and chicken and beef and everything from around here, rather. And it's not that dyed red bullshit you get at the supermarket. I used to get, I don't really eat too much beef, just don't like the way it makes me feel. Every once in a while though, take me somewhere that's got a good burger, I'm all in. So yeah, I'm like a chicken and eggs guy and fish. job, for the most part, I work with some of the most grateful and appreciative people I've ever met in my entire life, and some of the coolest down-to-earth people you'll ever meet. I'm not even in sport mode. That's what's insane about this. I love this bike. Paved this road. Well. What do you think about that, Big Sheila?
You take me down another dirt road and I'll smack the taste out your mouth.
Oh, keep it PG, will you? Yeah, we're getting close to 5,000 miles on old girl here. Let me tell you something, I got a couple of 100 miles on the Harley Sundowner seats, the 15-inch wide one, and I sent it to Mean City Cycles to get refoamed. And I know I've said this a couple of times. Oh my God, is this seat so good? The double memory foam, so good. My tushy is happy, and you know what they say: happy tush, you don't have to push.
Yeah, boy.
They also say, step on the gas before I put my foot in your ass. Yeah, I mean, it really is nice up here. Go-to food when you're out riding. I know a lot of the guys I ride with, wherever we go, it's like a burger. I'm like, meh. I'll tell you, if I go somewhere and they got fish and chips, it's on. It's on like Donkey Kong. Yeah, we'll keep this one on the shorter side. If you made it this far, thank you for watching. Drop my videos 3 p.m.ish every Friday, and one randomly during the week, because what the hell, I have a lot of videos. Next year my videos are changing. I try to change them every year, but the intro is going to change. I just want things to keep progressing and getting better, and I am going to be picking up a Mac for editing, because I need to spend some money and I want to learn Final Cut Pro. And I hope you'll be with me next year too as well in these videos.